welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, on Fridays we keep it real with topics that's either trending on social media or people ask me in the comments on my various social media. Well, today's is from Quora, which is a social media that they ask questions. And one of my followers asked me to name 20 things that really shouldn't cost what it costs. And I'm like, you know what? That's a good topic for my YouTube channel. But I am not going to name 20 things because y'all know my videos, I like it to be as short as possible. So I'm going to name 5. So let's get down to it. So my first one is going to be, why do people buy followers? I don't get it. Sub for sub and this for that. But when you buy followers and you're on social media, do you realize that all they got to do is unfollow you? So I don't understand why people buy followers that's on social media. My next one is lottery tickets. That makes no sense to me. I understand that lottery tickets, when you purchase them, sometimes it helps out in that community or in that state for schooling and stuff like that. But a person that goes and buys it every day, every week, when they finally hit, they're really not even getting the money that they have put in. Plus, now you got to pay taxes. So if you really wanted to donate, that would be a tax deductible to whatever your charity is or the school project is. Or you can save up the money and then go turn it up at a casino. More fun and a chance to win really more money. So I don't understand that. And my next one would be cell phones. Are they crazy? The top 3 cell phones, Google, Apple, and Samsung, they all got new phones out. And it goes from $1,000 to $750. That doesn't even include the Apple Pen or some of the other stuff that the phones have that's extra. And you know what really could include with all of these cell phones? Is a protection cover. None of them. You buy it $1,000 and they don't even give you a film or Templar glass to cover what you just bought. That doesn't make any sense, to go out and buy a phone every year to update. Do anybody realize that even though they claim they're in competition, that they put out something every year adding what the other company has? I mean, iPhone, I love them, but they should have had sit-down charging all the way back since iPhone 6S. So I don't understand why people go out and get the new phone every year and spend $1,000. If you are a YouTuber, you'd be better off getting a camera than spending $1,000 on an XL4 if you already got an iPhone. Just my opinion. The next one would be video games. I have an Xbox 360. And I went and was looking at some used games. $69 for a used NCCA video game. That is just too much. Xbox 360 is obsolete. Why are they selling a game that's almost $70 for Xbox 360? And people's running out getting it. I think that's ridiculous. It's too much money for video games when they're changing these systems all the time. To go and buy a $70 used game, I don't care how good it is. Trade with your friends. $70, if I had a game, I'd sell it to you for $15. And to wrap it all up, and I know I may get some controversy for this, but the price of education in the United States is ridiculous. When you get through with a bachelor's degree, you will owe $11,000 minimum. You're leaving that school or even that trade, because I'm all about school and trade, and that's another topic, to spend $11,000 or more on school. and to come out without a job and to come out without, if you're a doctor or a lawyer, you start working. You can take a percentage of that loan off because you're working these two fields. I think it should be all the fields. I think as soon as you get out of school or out of trade, you should have the opportunity, if you're working in your field, to have half of that money deducted off. So that this way, when you settle down to get married, he doesn't come with an $11,000 student loan. You don't come with a 20-something thousand student loan. And then a baby. How you gonna buy a house? That your loans together is the price of a house. So I don't understand why we pay so much for education and some of us drop out of school. Really? Look how much you're gonna owe the government. They want their money. They're not gonna stop hunting you down. So if you're in school and you're willing to pay all this money, stay in there. That's a lot of money. When you come out, you're gonna pay that money. Trust me, I'm the same way. I own a house and I'm still paying on a student loan. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you think, that it shouldn't cost that much money. Or if you agree with me, you already know what time it is. It's Friday. And I'm tired. And I'm out. Peace.